All right, so I'm starting on my next honeydew task. Something that Abby wants done in here. So let me jump in here and show you exactly what we're gonna do. All right.
If I did this, it would be a disaster. So.
All right. Why don't you show them what I'm about to do for you?
Okay. So I couldn't find what we had bought, but this is what we put on the refrigerator, and we love it, and it adds just such a cool color and stickers. So we bought another roll, and we're gonna cover all the glass. So then we have another place to put stickers.
That's right.
So we're gonna do it in the kitchen, we're gonna do it above the couches, and we're gonna do it above the bed. I think it'll look really cute. And honestly, I'd like to hide all my mess.
Yep. You can kind of see our hats in that so that's frosted glass is what it is, so you can kind of see a little bit of, you know, what's up in the cabinets. So Abby had this idea, since we had used this stuff to cover the refrigerator and the freezer, that way this is something that we can take off and save later down the road. So we're going to do the exact same thing for these 3 cabinets here.
And this is removable, so
these 2 right here. And so I can't remember, is it a peel and stick?
correct.
So, okay, so you peel the backing and then stick it on. All right, maybe I can accomplish that again and get that done. I've been getting my measurements down, trying to measure within a 1/16 of an inch using a tape measure, and hopefully I'll get them cut nice and square and then put them in.
I'm glad that you're doing this now.
I know it's my job.
Crooked, they'd be sticking up over the side.
Well, hopefully I can pull off getting them nice and square. I managed to get these on there in the first shot, so maybe I can do those again. So I'm going to go out to the shop now. I got a nice clean work area out there that I can put this stuff down on, use a straight edge to cut them hopefully nice and straight, and we'll come in here and hopefully get them on the glass and see how this looks. So this is that material right here. It's like a sticker, really, is what it is. So you peel that back, and then you have the sticky back there to apply it with. That was just the end trimmed off. Using my stare it rules here to mark the lines. I give myself a 1/16 of an inch all the way around, and I just cut one. Abby went and tested it, and she says it just fits perfect in there. So
Of course it does.
we're going to roll with what we have, and if I need to trim them, I can definitely trim them shorter. You just have to be steady and gentle with this, and try not to push real hard on this knife. Just have a nice sharp razor in there, and it should just slice right through it. Just like that.
Nailed it.
This is our first one. Abby went ahead and cleaned the glass, and I'm going to give it a shot, seeing if I can get this first one squared up.
No
Here.
pressure.
No pressure at all, right?
Don't mess up. I'm just kidding.
I want to use the wood as the reference to being square.
It is super great to have someone so handy and anal around to make everything look beautiful.
All right, so that's my technique, whether it be right or not, I don't know. I was just I try to start with one edge, and I'm using the wood as my reference to square.
We need to get that little scraper thing.
Yeah, I just need a little plastic straight edge, and I didn't think to bring one in.
I'll go get one for you.
Well, this is working.
Okay.
I'm just peeling the back and just trying to keep it smooth at the same time.
It looks so good with that wood, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a great match. You did good finding this stuff. All right, well, I think
Moment of truth. It's perfect.
Look at that.
Of course it's perfect.
I mean, there's about a 32nd of an inch on
No,
each
there's
side.
not.
Yes, there is.
Okay.
But anybody else that comes in here and just looks at it isn't going to be seeing that.
As long as you don't come in and hate it,
That looks good.
It looks great.
That's pretty cool. It's like an instant, easy way to kind of change the look of your, you know, the inside, your, I guess, interior decorating, whatever you call that.
Plus, since we can't stop buying stickers, they're going to add lots of color over there.
Yeah, these will be great. Like if the day comes that we ever want to trade this in and buy something else, what we can do, my idea of this before was we can peel these off, and instead of worried about like put them on, like let's just have a wall somewhere, like in the shop or the house or something, where we just put them up on a wall.
Agreed.
Yeah. All right, well, let's move on to the next one.
You need like 4 hands.
Yes, we do.
How do you feel about being married to someone that is not a perfectionist and everything she hangs is crooked?
You're a perfectionist in your own way. Like your work,
Okay, fair.
you're very anal about your work, and things that are changed that don't work that you have to go back and fix.
Yes. That's a fair point. Thanks, babe. Looks great.
Giving myself that 16th really helped let these things line up, so that there's about a 32nd all the way around the perimeter of it. Perfect. Right on that bottom.
Look how good that looks. It makes a huge difference.
Totally changes the look of the interior.
And
That is
it
very
matches perfectly. Thank you, baby.
cool. You're welcome.
4 more to go.
Yep, we got these 2 here, and then we still got to cut the ones for the bedroom, but we'll get them.
So folding it over before you start seems to be helpful.
Yeah, it's helpful so you can grab it, because otherwise it just keeps trying to roll up behind it. You washed those too, babe?
I did.
Okay.
Perfect.
Nailed it. Well, after I went in there and tried to edit the video to finish this one out, I realized that I had a clip that did not have any sound on it. In fact, I've had a few video clips here lately that the audio has not been working correctly, and I'm not quite sure what the problem is yet. I suspect that it may be the mic wire on the camera here not being plugged all the way into the back of the camera and causing some issues. So anyway, this is a different day, and so we wanted to come out here and show you the cabinet faces and what we did, and go ahead and finish this out.
It's not my fault, is it?
No, it's not your fault.
Okay,
It's
good.
just stuff that happens. So the last time you saw us, we were talking about the cabinet faces right here.
They look so good.
They look great.
It looks like it was always like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It's really cool. It's a great way to just change up the look of your interior,
Just
you know, and
spice it up a little.
change
Yeah.
it up a little bit, you know, and
I know that we cover this probably, but we are planning on putting stickers,
Yep.
travel stickers on these, or we can leave them blank. They look great anyway. So.
Well, we definitely wanted a place to where when we're traveling, you know, we're eventually going to run out of room here on the fridge.
Yeah.
You know, we've already run out of room there, basically.
We actually have some stickers from previous travels that we don't have out yet.
That's right. So I mean, we have a nice collection of stickers, but we definitely wanted another place that we could do our stickers. This is one thing that we like. This is a style of ours. I know other people don't do this, but we like it.
And
so we can put more stickers up here if we want to.
And this roll, we got it at Walmart, and it was less than $5, I think, roughly around that area. So look how much of a difference it makes just for $5.
Yeah, and there's a lot of it left. We didn't use very much of it.
No, we didn't.
So we did these two over here. All right, those look really nice. And Abby's been reorganizing, so now she's got other things over here that were put in another cabinet over there, such as
medicine. I put the medicine. The first aid kit is right here, so if I have to run in the door, there it is.
First aid kit, that's an important thing for people to have on their RV.
It sure is.
Just have a first aid kit.
I wanted the sunscreen and the bug spray to be a little bit more accessible, so, and we have games on this side, and then this is flashlights and functional things. But yeah, now those are a little bit more functionable.
Right.
It's amazing how long you have. Once you get in your camper, it's amazing how long it takes you to figure out what actually works and what doesn't. You know?
All right, so we finished up these two back here as well. The cabinets over the bed. And
I have not cleaned out those, but you can't tell because you can't see through.
Can't see what's in there now. Really, all that's up in there is some of our extra hats, but we're going to put some other things up there. I had asked Abby about maybe just putting our extra linens up there because she keeps one extra set of sheets for the bed.
Yep.
And we have some extra blankets because sometimes we're cold where we're at.
Sometimes he's cold.
I get cold. You know, I get up early in the morning and I go sit in the chair.
But actually, this might make us both cold.
Oh, that's gonna be. I cannot wait to use that right there.
I'm
looking forward to getting set up at the actual, you know, the RV sites and be able to turn on both of our ACs and be able to run both of them and see just how cool it actually gets this place.
It looks cute in here, doesn't it?
It looks great. It looks
Some
great.
of it's a little girly for you. I chose it.
Well, it's looking good. It's
really
looking good.
Yeah.
It's making it look more like home, you know, and Abby's decorating this the way that she wants, and it's cozy and comfortable in here.
And I purposely decided to leave some areas blank because I want to find stuff on the big haul.
That's right.
This area, I might just search for something. That one over there. I need like some little skinny things right here. So I'm going to be going to a lot of antique stores and a lot of travel places. So we have I'm going to go ahead and tell you the theme. You can already tell what it is. It's a travel cabin theme. That's what I'm going with.
Definitely.
Travel cabin.
Looks kind of Colorado-y.
It is a little
maybe
Colorado-y.
mountainous,
Yes,
you know,
yes,
but
yes.
I like it. That's a style that we both like. We both love the Rockies and you know, the mountainous areas and the rivers and all that fun stuff up there, all those beautiful areas.
But the most important thing is it needs to feel like home because it's home away from home.
Exactly, that's just it. So Abby's definitely decorating it in here and making it look nice. So this is going to be the end of the you know, changing out the cabinet faces video, and the next one in store. Well, we've got one more after this that you guys will see where we're hanging up the pictures and stuff for Abby. She's got some that she was working on. There's going to be a video for that, and then the one after that one is going to be the finish of the interior decorating.
Yes, because we're going to have.
She's changing this. She's going away from that color scheme. She's going with something different.
Yep, and all the rugs are going to be new, and the bedding is going to be new.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see what you're doing.
It's almost time to leave. I'm ready.
We're very close. We're a few weeks away. We're really excited. We're ready to hit the road and see some new places and experience some new adventures on the road.
Yes, we are.
Yep.
It is hot.
It's very hot. It's very hot. It's going to be hot for a while, even at the beginning of our trip. So we're looking forward to getting up into some altitude to where it'll drop some of those temps.
Yes.
We'll see you guys real soon, all right?